Today I'm going to be working with our owl transfer. It's one of the smaller transfers from Redesign by Prima. It's 6 by 12 and it has multiple images of different owls. I'm going to be using this charger. You can pick these right up at the Dollar Tree, Dollar General. Most places have them for a few dollars. I'm going to cut out the image that I'm going to use on this particular charger. I'm going to take my owl off its protective coating and I'm going to place it in the center of my charger. This does come with a little stick and you're just going to start rubbing your image, and this released really easy and stuck to this charger quite nicely, and I think it's because it has a very slick surface. So in this case I did not have to apply 1 hour enamel. But if you were going to put this on wood, you would want to apply 1 hour enamel clear, allow it to dry before your application. Once you apply your owl, you're going to want to take a soft cloth and rub your transfer. This is called burnishing, and it just makes sure that it has adhered to your project in its entirety. I'm taking some of the side images and applying them around the owl. These owls almost look like postage stamps, so that's what I'm applying. Some of the wording for the postage. And there's a little stamp image that I'm placing at the bottom here. And you're going to apply each image the same way as the other. And you can overlap these. And again, you want to go back in and rub these images down just to make sure they adhere to your project. I found these little beaded stickers. They come in kind of a strand at a local dollar store here. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to place it around the rim. Now, one tip, be sure, even though these already have an adhesive backing, sometimes you do have to go and apply glue, or another idea is to apply 1 hour enamel clear right to the transfer. And then migrate the 1 hour enamel clear around that rim, place your sticker down, and that will act as a glue so that you can be sure that this stays in one place. But for the next step, you want to make sure that this is completely adhered and there's not going to be any lifting of these beads. Once I place my beads around the edge, I'm now going to use our epoxy. This is by a Maker Studio. We have this at chalkitupfancy.com. And you want to use equal parts. There's a part A and a part B, and it's very important that these parts are equal as you're adding them together. I like solo cups because of the lines, and you can use them for measuring purposes. And I just toss them out after the project's done. Now I'm just taking a craft stick and stirring this together. You really want to stir for a period of time to make sure the two are fully together. Sometimes that takes 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'm going to pour my epoxy in the center of my charger. It initially kind of has a cloudy appearance. You do want to take a heat gun. This is an important step. And try to get all the air bubbles out. You're probably not going to get every single one out, but the more that you can get out, the nicer your final results will be. And then I allowed this to sit overnight. And I had nice results. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.